One of the best things you can do with your video content is grow an email list. The brands and the creators that only rely on social media to drive their sales are really missing out on opportunities to increase their conversions by adding in email. Often when we're talking about social media and email marketing, they're pitted against each other when I think they are the best dynamic duo for getting better results with your marketing. So that's why in this video, I'm going to be sharing a step-by-step strategy on how to use your video content to grow your email list and drive more sales. First, let's start with an overview of the video content to email marketing funnel. You're going to use social media to not only reach your current audience, but also new warm leads. Then you're going to use the call to action in your social media content to get them off social media and onto your email list. And then you're going to be sending emails to your email list to drive sales, all while also having a consistent presence on social media to continue nurturing your audience. So let's get right into step one, which is getting everything together to grow your list. This step is really important whether you literally just need to start using email marketing and you're starting from scratch, or if you've used email before but really need to optimize your strategy because you've seen really slow list growth or really low conversions on your emails. All you need are three things. First is an incentive for them actually to opt in or join your email list. So not only have I worked with clients that have had all different types of opt-ins, I myself have tried different opt-ins, and I am here to say a hot take that there isn't one right opt-in that is better than the others. An opt-in can be as simple as just inviting people to get your weekly emails for exclusive, really juicy content. It can be a branded, curated newsletter that they can expect a certain structure of every week or month. It, of course, can be a freebie. Essentially, this is a free resource that when they join, they get access to. So this can be an ebook, a checklist, a training, a template. There are so many different things that you can do with this. I think these have a rep for being kind of like really crappy and something people don't actually use, but there are definitely great freebies out there. Or it can be something like a launch event, like maybe you're hosting a webinar or a training or even a co-working call or a group sales call or even a summit or live event. My biggest piece of advice here is do not overthink your opt-in, get started, and know you can test and experiment and do other things later on down the road. The next thing you need to go along with your opt-in is to actually have a link that people can easily opt in on so you can share that on social media. This link is going to be shared in the description or show notes of a podcast episode or a YouTube video. It's going to be shared in the link in your bio or even through something like a ManyChat automation through a button. You want this to be mostly optimized for mobile because this is where most people that are consuming video content or social media content are going to be hanging out. And you want it to be really easy for them to join and for them to know what they're signing up for. And then from there, you just need to get everything ready to start sending emails. So maybe it's setting up a really simple email template so you can essentially plug and play all of your copy in without having to reinvent the wheel. Maybe it's even setting up a very, very simple workflow with some of your best welcome or nurture emails to get them warmed up and get them introduced to you, or of course to deliver that opt-in. But even on the simplest end, I have just had people join my email list and then they just start getting my weekly emails. If you are looking for an email marketing platform that's going to help you do all of this, I personally love and have used Flodesk for years, and they're actually partnering with me on this video. As someone who has been in marketing for years, I have tried a lot of different email marketing platforms, and Flodesk really stands out. Here are just a few of my favorite features. First of all, it is so easy to create branded and aesthetic emails, even if you don't have a knack for designing. And you don't even need to use an outside tool or hire a designer to get those amazing looking emails. And just in general, it's really easy to not only create and send emails, and also those forms you can use to share your opt-in on social media, like maybe a link in bio form. And they even now have video forms, which of course I'm obsessed with, and can actually help you increase conversions. You also can get really strategic to help you optimize sales. You can create custom workflows, segments, and even new features like link actions and countdown timers, which are great for creating that ethical urgency. And one of the things I love most is you never get penalized for growing your email list. A lot of email platforms will charge you more the more your list grows, but Flodesk has a very simple monthly pricing structure that I just love. Because the whole point of using email marketing is to grow your list and increase your sales. I actually created a free Flodesk template for helping you use video in your emails. And this is a great way to get started with all the things that you're gonna learn in this video. So if you wanna access that free template and also get 50% off your first year using Flodesk, all the details are in the description. For step number 2, you want to start using the video content you're creating on really any social media platform to actively promote your email list. Your email list hasn't grown because you aren't prioritizing it in your content. You don't need a big audience or a certain amount of followers to start growing your email list. You just need to treat your email marketing strategy like it's its own offer when you're thinking about your video content. Here are the strategies I recommend following. You want to make sure you're creating content that is relevant to that opt-in that you created in step 1. And I'm going to be sharing some examples of that in just a little bit. This is actually a really great way to guide what you want your opt-in to be because you want there to be synergy between your video content strategy and what you're doing in your email marketing. The next thing is you want to make sure you're adding at least 1 to 2 calls to action in your video content that are driving people to your email list. And like I mentioned in step 1, you want to make it really easy for them to join your email list. That's why I love creating a standalone form or even a link in bio form in Flodesk so people can join your emails directly and not have to click a million things to even opt in. And most importantly, for those calls to action, you want to make sure they're really specific. Really sell me on why would I want to be on your email list? What am I going to get? Who is it for? What are those next steps going to look like? Don't just say link in bio to join my email list. And most importantly, don't just post about your email list once and think it's going to do the job. I either recommend having it as a part of your weekly schedule or maybe at least once a week, one of your pieces of content are going to be driving people to your email list. Or you can create a promotional campaign just around growing your email list. I cannot tell you how many times people have said to me or even some of my clients, I didn't even know you had an email list. It is so common for people to follow you on social media and literally not even know you had an email list. So however much you think you need to be promoting, do it even more than that. Let's go over a few types of content that have literally driven hundreds of email opt-ins for not only our agency clients, but also for myself. I've been able to bring almost 10,000 subscribers just to my email list alone. So let's look at some videos. Okay, so for one of my clients, Sam, she has a signature newsletter in addition to creating some really specific opt-ins. And so something that we love to do is essentially a teaser video that kind of hints at what the topic is or what we're going to be talking about in the piece of content, and then really seamlessly ties that into the call to action of the video. So in this video where we were promoting her free challenge, we actually repurposed a well-performing piece of content that she's done in the past, and we then tied that into her legal challenge since it's really similar. And really the goal was to get people reading the caption, they got really engaged, and then we tied it into the challenge. So we used something like a ManyChat automation, which you'll probably see as a common theme for a lot of these. And then we said, what are they opting in for? And we kind of talked about what is the result of the challenge? How does it tie into this content? And this got lots of people that were interested. Another thing, and this is an example of a really specific opt-in that our client has. Essentially, we create content around of you still need to complete this form. This is what it is. Here's all the information. And that's the teaser. And then we essentially tie it into if you want the free guide and a video tutorial, then you can go and opt in for it, which then leads to growing her email list. So this one got so many people opting in. because it was really easy to be like, hey, here's this information you need to know. The next step is that you want to opt in for this to get all the support you need. And this is another one where we actually repurposed a well-performing piece of content. Essentially, we positioned it as like, this is really important if you're a business owner. We really got specific on whether you're a new business owner or you're really big in scaling, that you have to do these legal steps, and then essentially summarized the free resource that they're going to get when they opt in. We summarized that in the caption so they knew exactly what they were going to get, and then lots of details. What the free legal training is, what they get, who it's for, and how to actually get it, which led to a lot of opt-ins. And another thing that we've done is just like, here's my signature newsletter, Sam Sidebar. And we essentially gave her a script for a voiceover to talk about the different sections and different elements of her newsletter, why people really enjoy it, what she likes to send in it, and essentially what you're going to get when you sign up. So you have all the information. We essentially put that in the caption, and then we also had that call to action in the video, but also in the caption. And this goes back to treat your opt-in like it's its own offer. If you have a signature newsletter, if you have a freebie, if you just have really fire emails that you send, like literally talk about it like you would other offers. Another example is for one of our clients that actually has a free calligraphy course. And so that is like her main opt-in, her signature opt-in. And so one thing that we did, which we love to do when we start with any of our clients, is do a signature video series where we essentially were like, here's how to start with calligraphy. And part 3 actually went viral. This has 1.4 million views and thousands of comments. And I think what's really great is that she was able to deep dive into the series, show her as an educator, give like essentially a preview of what it's like to learn from her. And it gave people enough information that if they were interested and feel like, wow, like I do want to learn calligraphy, or wow, I actually can do this, it was such an easy sell that you would want to join her free course in addition to that. And this was actually for building a wait list, but this video has been popping up for so long that it also went into her launch period, which was really cool. And similar to the examples that I shared with Sam, but just kind of for a different opt-in, is really creating that next step style content. So like if you want to learn calligraphy, you need these tools, you need to do these things, and we teach you how to do this in the course. Another example of this is, if you try to do this one thing, maybe you like it, here's the tools you need, then you could do calligraphy. So if you want to continue learning, come to the free course. Another one could be kind of pointing out the mistakes or the things that people might be struggling with, of like, oh, you have the wrong tools, or you're not focusing on this, or like, what are those common things people are missing, and how can your opt-in or your emails be the solution for that? One of my favorite opt-ins I've ever done is my free video confidence challenge, which you can join in the description just to like see how we send our emails, how it looks, how the forms work, because we use Flodesk for all of that. But essentially I use those same strategies for my own video content when promoting my free challenge. And since I've had this challenge for so long, I also have done a lot of repurposing, not only from my challenge content, my challenge emails, my challenge registration page, but also past challenge promo content. Really just focusing on like, oh, video content becomes easier when you do this one thing, which is stock content. And stock content is what I talk about in my free challenge. This is what you'll learn in my free challenge. Here's exactly how to sign up. Another example is essentially showing behind the scenes of me using my opt-in. So here's how I film my stock content in one space. And essentially I'm using the 3-day challenge that you can join to get videos on exactly how to do this. Another one is taking a top performing piece of content of like, hey, yeah, you're just like overcomplicating your video content. That's why you're not seeing results. Here's how to simplify it. I took that well-performing caption and video, and then I tied it into my free challenge. So just to summarize some of the key points from the video content that I shared and how it's been able to drive email list growth, the first is really just repurposing content that is done really well and tying that into your opt-in. The second thing is doing kind of teaser next step content of like, get them interested in your take on something, the topic, the solution you might provide, like what they're really desiring, and then tie that into your opt-in. And the other thing is just like, don't be afraid to just like do a plain old promo of your actual opt-in or freebie, and make sure you're adding calls to action in multiple places and make it very, very specific so people know what they're opting in for. My reminder to you is, as we've worked through step 1 and step 2, do not overthink your opt-in. Just make sure it's valuable and really specific to not only your ideal follower, but also to the offers that you have and essentially your goals and objectives with using email and social media in the first place. I personally think one of the easiest, most unique, and valuable types of opt-in you can have is actually a video. So that's why the Flodesk template that I created, that I'm sharing with you in the description, essentially shows you how to create a really valuable email that actually includes a video in it. Like, what section should you have? Where should you put your video? What should you include in your video? I cover all of that in the free template. And the final thing you need to be doing is sending emails weekly to your email list. You want to make sure you're not growing your email list and neglecting it, but you also don't want to neglect your social media. Like I said, they really work together. Example, maybe you're in a launch or a sales promotion. Not only are they seeing your video content, they're seeing your social media content, but they're also getting that other touch point directly to their inbox from your email. So it's really going to help you increase conversions and really speed up that warm-up process. I hope you found this guide helpful for growing your email list with your video content. Definitely let me know in the comments which strategy you're most excited to use. And don't forget to grab the free template I created for you using Flodesk. This will help you easily get started with a lot of the things that I mentioned here and actually combine video with how you're growing your email list. I've linked the template link and my affiliate link for Flodesk, which gets you 50% off your first year, all in the descriptions to help you get started. And if you love nerding out about sales content, I highly recommend binging my Video Sales School series next.